Welcome back to the channel Space Fact and Science Fact. Let's start this video. Number 1. Space is completely silent. There is no atmosphere in space, which means that sound has no medium or way to travel to be heard. Astronomers use radios to stay in communication while in space, since radio waves can still be sent and received. Number 2. The hottest planet in our solar system is 450 degrees Celsius. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system and has an average surface temperature of around 450 degrees Celsius. The interesting thing that is Venus is not closest planet to the sun, but Mercury is closer. But because Mercury has no atmosphere to regulate temperature, it has a very large temperature fluctuation. Number 3. There may be a life on Mars. Of all the planets in our solar system, apart from Earth, Mars is the one most likely to be hospitable to life. Now, in 1986, NASA found that but they thought maybe fossil of microscopic living thing in a rock recovered from Mars. Number 4. Nobody knows how many stars in the space. Sheer size of the space make it impossible to accurately predict just how many stars we have. Right now, scientists and astronomers use the number of stars only within our galaxy, the Milky Way. To estimate that number is between 200 to 400 billion stars, and there are estimated to the billions of galaxies, so the stars in space really are completely uncountable. Number 5. Halley Comet won't be a orbit past Earth again until 2061. Discovered Halley Comet was discovered in 1705 by Armand Halley. The famous comet was has last seen in 1986 and it is only seen once every 75 to 76 years. Number 6. A full NASA space suit cost is 12 crore. While the entire suit costs a cool 12 crore, 70% of that cost is for the backpack and control module. Number 7. Neutron stars can spin 600 times per second. Neutron stars are the distant and tiniest stars in the known universe, although they only have a radius about 10 kilometers 6 miles. They may have a mass of few times that of the sun. They can rotate at up to 60 times per second after they are born from a core collapse supernova star explosion and have known to be spin as fast 600 to 712 times per second because of their physics. Number 8. There may be a planet made out of diamonds. As space facts go, this is a pretty impressive research by Vala University's scientists suggest that a rock planet called 55 Cantor, which has a radius twice Earth and a mass 8 times of greater, may have a surface made up of graphite and diamond. It is 40 light years away but visible to the naked eye in the constellation of Centaur. Number 9. The footprint on the moon will be there for 100 million years. The moon has no temperature, which means there is no way to annoy the surface and no water to wash the footprints away. This means the footprints of the Apollo astronauts, along with spacecraft prints, rover prints, and discovered material, will be there for millions of years. Number 10. One day on Venus is no longer than 1 year. It is an interesting fact. Venus has a long axis rotation which takes 243 Earth days to complete its day. The orbit of Venus around the Sun is 225 Earth days, making a year on Venus 18 days then less than a day on Venus. Number 6. Number 11. If two pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they will be permanently bond. This is so interesting fact about space that happened. This is incredible fact is known as cold welding, and it's happened because the atoms of two pieces of matter have no way knowing they are separate. This doesn't happen on Earth because of air and water found between the species. Thank you for my watching this video, and my next topic is on draft planets and who found it at first. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home, stay healthy. Goodbye.